Today, guys, I'm going to give you my real estate predictions on what's going to happen in the Greater Baton Rouge housing market in 2025. Let's go. We're going to start with the most important topic, which is interest rates. Interest rates have been an incredibly hot topic in 2024 and in the last 2.5 years. Today, it's December 2024, and rates are sitting around 6.75%. We do expect to see a decline slightly month over month over the next year. The Fed has already said their goal is to reduce rates 4 to 6 different times next year, which should look something like this: mid sixes down to the low sixes, and it potentially in the high fives by the end of next year. That's my predictions. Second thing I want to talk about is home sales. 2024 will go down as the least amount of homes sold since 1995, which is bananas to think about. High interest rates and rising home prices have been a reason for those lower home sales across the country. In the Greater Baton Rouge market, we will see about approximately 10,000 home sales, which is 20,000 sides, actually close in 2024. And we predict that you'll see about 10 to 15% increase in home sales next year in 2025 with those, hopefully, the declining interest rates and a little bit more inventory coming on the market. The next thing I want to talk about is home values. We've seen about 3%, which is pretty normal appreciation year over year in our local real estate market. In 2025, I don't think you'll see much of a change. I think you may see a little bit more of a stagnant price appreciation, but I don't think you'll see anything more than 3%. Hopefully, those more affordable interest rates and a little bit more inventory will contribute to hopefully a pretty modest growth through equity year over year. Last thing I want to talk about is rentals. So how's the rental market fared in the Greater Baton Rouge area over the last couple of years? We've seen rent prices on the rise pretty consistently. In 2024, we actually saw those rental prices stabilize a little bit. They've actually cooled down a bit. A lot of the inventory has been absorbed, and we do have some new multifamily being built. We have some builders that are building single-family homes to rent. So in 2025, we could see pretty modest rental growth year over year. That's my projections. What do you guys think about that? So in 2025, this is what I expect will happen. We should see interest rates come down a little bit. This is not going to happen overnight. We've got a new president in office. We have an economy that's moving in the right direction. And the Fed has already said 4 to 6 rate cuts are coming in 2025, which should help significantly with affordability. Now, will we hit 5% interest rates? I don't know. I think we'll end somewhere in the low sixes, if not potentially the high fives. Now, home sales, we should get about a 10 to 15% bump in home sales in 2025. And again, with those home values staying pretty consistent, maybe 1 to 2% of appreciation, that really could help. It could help really absorb some of the inventory that we have on the market now. And hopefully we'll have a little bit more inventory that comes on the market, which is going to give buyers more options. And then lastly, around rentals. Rentals, we've seen the price of rentals increase year over year. It cooled down a bit in 2025, but there is a lot of multifamily being built. There are some single family homes that are being built by some of these tract builders, which could give us more inventory and inevitably keeping those rental prices pretty modest in growth year over year. So if you're looking to buy, sell, or invest, 2025 might just be the best year yet. So what do you guys think? You guys think that I'm far off in these predictions? Do you think I'm right on the money? I would love to hear your thoughts. So if you guys don't mind, drop your comments below. My name is Trey Willard. I'm a local real estate agent in the Greater Baton Rouge housing market. If you're looking to buy, sell, invest, you're looking for the value of your home, any information in our local real estate market that I can provide, please don't hesitate to ask. Thank you for choosing the W Group.